Hi folks, Mark Powell here, Cubemaster Pool School. I want to say a little bit about the poke stroke. That's a contradiction in terms. If you're poking the ball, you're not stroking it, right? It's just a jab. In order to do that, you got kind of a tight grip, kind of choked up on the cue, jab, 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 right? That's not stroke. That's not a very good stroke at all. Well, how do you get out of that? Well, here's an exercise that you can practice to feel what it feels like to have a nice, loose, positive grip and a flexible wrist here. That's the problem with poking, is this is all rigid here. It's just bang, okay? So how do you make sure that you've got more flexibility here? Find the balance point of the cue, and because of the balance point, the cue necessarily is going to be level with the floor. Hold it down at your side, softly pin your upper arm against your body so your upper arm's not going to move. And now slowly raise your hand and keep the cue level all the way up until the cue just touches the underside of your forearm. Okay? Back down again, nice and level, up and down. Now, in order to do this, you have to have a loose grip, flexible grip, right? Wrist is flexible. Grip is nice and loose but comfortable, because if you tighten your wrist, tighten your hand, you're going to be doing this, right? So you have to keep it nice and level, all the way up, all the way down. That gives you that nice comfortable feeling in your hand, right? Totally the opposite of a poke stroke. Now, come to the table, move your hand back on the cue where it normally goes, right here. Come down on the shot, and you've got it, okay? So practice that from time to time, okay? If you feel like you're poking the ball, you're not really having good success in controlling the cue ball where you want it to go, try this exercise. I think it'll help you a bit, all right? This is Mark Powell from Cubemaster Pool School. Thanks for watching.